Hi, my name is Fazl Roman and we are going to discuss what is the window object. Basically, we know that in the JavaScript object, it is a group of the values which contain the own information. So, in the window object means it is the browser. So, it contains all the information of this browser page. So, like that, what is the URL of this page, what is the length, what is the width, and all the information of this browser page would be present in the window object. So you can say that the window object basically it is a group of information which contain all the information related to this browser page. So why we need to know the window object in the if we are improving the skill in the Google Tag Manager, because when you apply the custom JavaScript variable, then this variable have to know which information present in the backend of this browser and which information this page contains, because you put the condition in the variable. So if this variable complete this condition, your trigger would work, and if the trigger would related with your tag, and then your tag would work. So therefore you need to know what is the window object and what information they contain. So you do not need to know all the information. For example, you have how to know, you have to go inspect. So we are in the, so you have to go to the console. So you just write there. For example, if I want to know the URL of this browser, so sorry, so how can we know that? You have to console log and window, so location. So basically, it would basically window, it is a group of the value, and I would finding the location folder. In the location folder, this would be there, the URL is present. Therefore, I want to know what is the URL of this page. So when you just enter, you will see that this is the URL of the page. So basically, if you put the condition in the variable that if this variable is present in this window object, then the trigger would work. Then you have to must know what the window object contain. So how much values the window object you can find there, you have to write the console log. You just put the window, and you can see that. So you can see that how much information is present in the browser. So this is the document and the location. These are the folder. When you open these folder, so let me. So you can see that how much information is present in this window object. The window object. So basically, so So when you scroll down, you can see that these are the folder which contain the information, which is the, because, so for example, if I, so because, so for example, if I want to find the location folder, so you have to scroll down and you can see that this is the location folder. So in the location folder, so our, you can see that our URL would be present. So basically, I think you would understand the basic concept of the window object and why we need it in the Google Tag Manager. So this is from me. Thank you so much.